Hello friends, welcome to my next research video. How to download closed access research papers. It's a big challenge for many researchers, and in this video I'll tell you, because you know very well, one is open access paper, it is free, you can easily download, whereas closed access paper, it is not free, you have to pay hefty amount to download the paper. But there is some two techniques are there to download those papers also free. Just come, let's get started. One website is SciHub. This is the website, just to remember, scihub.ee. SciHub hyphen, kindly make a note, this is the website. Just I am typing here, scihub.ee. Go to this website. Once you go where you will come to this particular page. Now let us go to the Google Scholar. For example, let us take one paper which is closed access. This is playing subaltern video games and post-colonial space. It's the closed access paper. Just I right click it and it is there like this. Sorry, not this one. This one. Playing subaltern video games post-colonialism. It's a closed access paper. Let me check, is it the same thing? Yes. So now this is the what do you call you can access only the abstract. It is completely closed one. If you want to access it, you have to pay almost, you see, you have to pay $37 for this article. So what we'll do, just we'll copy the DOI. DOI is the number. Just only you have to copy the DOI. Just to copy. And already told you that SciHub, this website, you come here, just you click paste here, just that's it. Just you have to properly paste the DOI number or the web address, just you click open. Yeah, this paper has come. So now you can, as usual, you can click it, you'll be able to download it. That's it. This is one website where you can download. This is called SciHub. SciHub, and you can download in this another website. It is booksc.org. In this website also you can try the same thing. Just I'm pasting the same DOI number in this website also. Just I'm clicking search, but here it is a general search. Okay, and let me click the full text search. And let me paste it again. At least 2 words must be provided for phrases search. Please switch to match words. Okay. Okay, I'm just clicking match words. It is searching. It will search and it will fetch the article. And you can download it from this Z library. Yeah, it has come here. These are the, it is not exact that paper may not, I didn't come, and some other papers related to that thing it comes. So in that type, let us try something else here. Let me open this book. Let me try. Okay, actually this is no DOI is there. Let us, so this is email, you can link this book to your friend. Okay, it is not there. And any other thing? Okay, let us try one more article also. Let us take one more closed access article. We'll try in that website, particular website. And just a minute, I'm opening. Okay, let us see. This is Elsewhere paper, whether it comes. Okay, no, it's not a full access. It's only you have to purchase the PDF. So here we have a DOI number? We don't have the DOI number. Just we'll click show more. DOI number is here. It is there. Just I am clicking it, copy, and let us go to that books in this website. Let me search. Okay, it is searching. Let us see whether it comes. Or otherwise, better you can use that scihub.e. It's very easy. And this one also you can try something which is not available here. It may be available, or both places it may be available. Just this website is very simple, books.sc.org. And you can see these are the how many books are available. Article. This is this much article. This much books are there. Just if you click books, and you will come to see all those available books and article. You can search it. You can use the different keywords, look at their match phrase words, exact matching, or which year to year, on everything you can use it. You can try this also. These two websites will be useful for you to download the closed access research papers. I think that this will be really useful video, and if you find it, please hit the like and share button, and I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.